Hello and welcome back to my Forex DNA's next video. It is amazing. I am 600 points in the plus today, as you can see here shortly. I was, the last video that I created where I had said that I should probably not touch my trade and let it continue because it would go into downward movement. It spiked, hit my stop and reversed. It's going to happen to anybody in this Forex profession. So let me show you what really happened. My trade still holds true. I ended up putting 3 additional trades last night, and if I run the report here, you'll be able to actually see it. Let me zoom in so you can see it. I placed 3 trades, and a 4th trade was on the Canadian dollar, which has not executed. But you can see currently my equity is 50,589, so it was slightly over 600. So already almost 600 pips in the plus for this month, because we started out the month with 50,000. These are the trades that I had placed yesterday. It closed this one. The British pound USD, I again sold at the same original opening price of 1.4490. These were the trades that had closed for a loss. You can see over here the 142, and the same trade again I replaced and I closed for a profit of 130 today, the first lot. The second lot, again the opening price was the same, 1.4490. You can see the date over there, and that closed for a profit of 270 pips. And I have my third trade again at the same opening price of 1.4490, and that is currently open for a profit of 224 pips. The market has retraced a bit, which is bound to happen, but I'm anticipating that that will run for a while. Let me show you onto the charts what's really occurring. This was our original chart. This is the day the candle actually spiked. This blue candle here, it spiked, hit my stop loss and closed me out for a loss. The next day was kind of a doji candle, indecision candle, and then boom, the price has dropped. Right now it is approximately 7:45 Eastern Standard Time, and there is a slight retracement in the market on the daily charts, and I will shortly go to the hourly charts and show you what's occurring. But you can see that there is a lot of room for movement in the downward side. I am going to this time move my stop loss up to my opening price and lock in the profits. I know with all the bailout and all going on, the markets are behaving a little bit erratically, but let me show you what's going on in the hourly chart here. So this is where it peaked out at the 38.2% Fibonacci level on the hourly chart. Instead of at the 50%, it hit the 38.2 exactly on the dot, as you can see. And then it came back down, went into this channel on the hourly. It has went back up. It crossed the 50% and has significantly gone down, almost again now making the 6th bottom. Maybe the market has bottomed out. I don't know. It's difficult to say. I doubt, but I don't know. This is on the hourly chart. There is a 5th bottom, and I'll show you how that has happened. If I go back here, you can see this was the 1st bottom, the 2nd, the 3rd, the 4th, the 5th, and this is almost the 6th bottom. Sorry. So that's where we are. I am still going short. There's no reason for me to believe that the market has totally reversed and is going to go up. But just to be on the safe side, I am going to move my stop to my open price so that if the trade reverses, I will not lose any money. I may not make any money, but I won't lose any money. And I'm not going to put in a limit as yet. I'm still trying to go for the 1,000 pip profit on this one trade, and that's the whole intent of the blog, is to show you that you can actually make decent amount of profit without having to overtrade. Having said that, let me show you something else going on some other candlesticks. If I go to the Australian dollar, It is interesting right now. There is a pennant forming, and you can see the trades have been within this triangle, so to speak, the pennant, so to speak. I'm anticipating a breakout which should occur shortly, but it hasn't yet. I'm not seeing any candlestick formations that would lead me to believe that a breakout is imminent, but it is coming closer to this pennant, and therefore the breakout should occur shortly. I'm watching this currency as yet. The next one, which is the Canadian dollar, again is in the pennant formation. I had placed a short order here hoping that it's going to touch the bottom of the pennant before it breaks out. There is room for it to move before it does the actual breakout. So I am not too worried about this. I'm watching the Canadian currency as well. There is likelihood that some major breakouts are bound to occur shortly. The Swiss franc is not, I'm not too happy about the way the movements are. I'm not trading it. I'm not watching it that actively. The euro, on the other hand, has kind of gone and started to behave a little bit in a ranging fashion. I'm not trading the euro. I'm not watching it that carefully either. The pound we already took care of. The Australian dollar, again, the Japanese yen. Since the Japanese government tends to manipulate their currency, I'm a little bit shy of trading actively the Japanese currency at the moment, more so with the bailout and the economic conditions there. But you can see the US dollar has become stronger in the last 3 days here. Doesn't make sense to me. The yen should be really stronger, but that's not how it is. And I'm just kind of shying away at the moment. I'm not seeing anything, at least my eyes are not telling me what to trade on the Japanese yen as of yet. I might trade it, but I'm watching it, and as I do some more analysis on the charts, I might. There was here kind of an engulfing bullish candle, and I could have traded it, but I decided not to, and I stayed away from it. And lastly was the New Zealand dollar. This is also an interesting pair right now. This is not the chart. Let me go to the daily chart. And let me see. Where did I go? Let me see. There. I haven't finished my analysis on this pair as yet, so I'm not trading it as of now. I seem to have lost some of my analysis, but anyway, my point is I'll be watching this currency as well, and if there is any exciting formations occurring, I will post some trades about the New Zealand dollar as well. But I'm keeping a watch on them. Right now, the active currency making us money is the British pound. That's it for the night. Good luck. I'll be posting this video both on my blog as well as on YouTube. Have any questions? Feel free to post, and I will do my best to reply. Thank you. God bless. Have a great day trading.